Fertilizers are essential in modern agriculture. They help plants grow. These plants feed us and our animals. They also provide materials for construction, clothing, and much more. However, the widespread use of synthetic fertilizers in recent decades has led to significant environmental issues, such as eutrophication and resource depletion. This is why circular fertilizers, made from recycled materials, are being explored as sustainable alternatives. But how do we determine which circular fertilizers are better compared to traditional, non-renewable ones? The FER-PLAY project has set out to answer this question. From an initial pool of over 60 circular fertilizers, FER-PLAY researchers have selected 7, based on their potential for large-scale implementation in the European Union, their representativeness, and the availability of data on their characteristics. The 7 circular fertilizers chosen are recovered struvite from urban wastewater, recovered struvite from industrial wastewater, stabilized sludge from sewage, composted biowaste, feather meal from biological byproducts, solid fraction of digestate, and spent mushroom substrate from treated manure. Each of the 7 fertilizers underwent a life cycle sustainability assessment to evaluate their entire life cycle from production to field application. The LCSA examines 3 key aspects. 1. The environmental performance of the fertilizers, including factors like the impact on climate change, acidification, or ecotoxicity. 2. Their economic competitiveness, covering aspects such as their production costs, the market prices of circular fertilizers, and their potential economic benefits. 3. The social indicator risks associated with the studied circular fertilizers. First, a hotspot analysis evaluated relevant social indicators. Then, the selected value chains were assessed within the specific regions. FER-PLAY has performed LCSAs in 3 regions: Northern, Central, and Southern Europe for the 7 value chains. For social impacts, 1 representative country was chosen for each region. As a complement, the FER-PLAY project also covered the social acceptance of circular fertilizers, exploring issues related to the public trust and public awareness of these fertilizers. This analysis was carried out via surveys to key stakeholders, which were available in 6 different languages. In addition to this, FER-PLAY has analysed the regulatory landscape, including EU policies and national regulations, to identify factors that help or hinder the adoption of circular fertilizers. The result is a comprehensive, nuanced analysis that compares circular fertilizers with their non-renewable counterparts. The findings of the FER-PLAY project offer evidence-based recommendations to support the transition to a more sustainable agricultural system. To know more, check out the FER-PLAY Resources webpage and join the movement towards a more sustainable future.